Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add logo to your Wix website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now adding a logo to our Wix website is very easy. Now we are just going to open our Wix website and we are going to choose from our websites here that we made. So just select and click edit site and it will lead us to our Wix editor. Now there are two ways that we can do to add logo to our Wix website. The first one is we are going to the search box and we are going to type in logo and click logo settings. And here is your profile. So your profile is what people will see on your search results, invoices, chat, and more. So we are just going to add a logo. So click add logo. So we are just going to upload from our computer and choose your logo. And then click choose file and click save. Now the second way is we are going to go to our Wix website editor. So at the upper left corner, we are going to click add elements. And we are going to click image and we are going to upload images. And we are just going to upload from computer and choose the logo that we want to add. And here, so we're just going to choose this one and click add to page. And there, our logo is already added to our website. So we can just adjust our logo. We can adjust the size so it can fit as to where we want to put our logo. And for us to preview our website, so we are just going to click preview. And we're going to check how it looks like in our website. And there, this is what it looks like in our website. That's how easy you can add logo to your Wix website. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye!